Hey guys, Sarab this side. In previous video, we have seen this problem in Golang. Now I have taken this problem in Java. Leet code problem: longest substring without repeating characters. So we have to find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. So here, if you will see A, B, C, A, B, C, and B, C, B, B. So here A and A, B, C. This is the longest length of the substring which is non-repeat, which is having non-repeated characters. If I will include A, means A will be repeated. Same example 2, if this is having only one non-repeating character, so length will be 1. If you will see down P W W K E W, here length of longest substring will be from here W K E. So this is again 3. So you can expand an interview. Firstly, let me tell you, this is the very important problem. It has been asked in almost many companies, and this is the very important intermediate problem. This will be asked when you are applying in product-based company. So you can firstly explain the brute force approach using two for loops. Firstly, you can iterate from ith means zeroth location to end, and similarly, all these substring you have to create for that, and you have to find the length of the substring. That is brute force approach. Now we are going to follow two-pointer approach or sliding window protocol approach. Sliding window approach. In that, what we will do, we have taken two pointer. So let me explain this code. Just now I have written. This is if you want to see, I have written in Golang. I will provide the description also. So here just same logic it is there. Only the syntax it is changed. There also, let me explain one by one. There also we have taken two pointers L and R, left and right 2 point left L and R we have taken. Maximum length we have taken there, length we have taken there. There we have taken one map. That map was of type byte and integer. Here I have taken as character, since in Java we are having character. So character I have taken, but in Golang we don't have any character, so there we are having byte. So byte we have taken. There also map was taken, here also map was taken. There also we are storing index, here also we are storing index. And we are iterating using for loop. There, here we are iterating using while loop. Loop will be executed till the length of this this complete string. This complete string it will be executed, and r until r we are iterating, so it will go. So firstly, what we are going to do, we are going to check in map if this key is there or not. There also, since in Golang we are having single line approach, there we can directly find exist. It will return two parameter. Their index means value, and the exist if it is exist or not in map. But here we don't have a such mechanism. So firstly we have to follow this. We have to call this method contains key. It will tell if exist or not. So s.caret, this since these all are the character we are iterating, so a particular character, this particular character, if it exists in map or not. If it is there, then we will find the index, means we'll find the value whatever is stored for that in map. So that will be nothing but the index of the character in this particular string. If index is found, so and index is greater than 1, so what we'll do, L equal to index plus 1 we'll do. So L we can move it to that next index. Okay, hm dot put. And so what we are doing now, we are putting, since let's say r at this position, so we are putting this b index in this map. We are putting, and length we are calculating is length r minus L plus 1. So r currently it is 1, L is 0, r minus L 1, 0 minus plus 1 is 2. So here we are checking if max length is less than length, then we'll take the maximum length as length, and our pointer we are increasing, so each time it will increase and we are returning maximum length. So this is the algorithm. If you are giving an interview, you can learn it, this approach, some sliding window approach, in within the order of n complexity. We can submit it. If you will see this, I am going to submit this. Here I am going to submit, and you will see the time complexity within milliseconds it will complete. See, within 5 milliseconds it has done. Okay, if you have any doubts you can ask. in comments. You can refer Golang video also. There I have explained how this sliding window works here. Actually, this is not actual approach. It will be separate for each problems. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of this code and you can refer it whenever it is required. You can like, comment and share so that directly your connection people can find it. You can find it. If you will subscribe, I'm going to give the commonly asked question in interviews, or whatever questions are asked commonly, that questions only I'm taking care, and with best approach I'm going to explain here. Thank you guys.